Hey, it's Fly Tie and Jacinda with Compare Foods TV, and it's October, so you know what that means. It's time to carve some pumpkins.
Yeah, so happy Halloween from us to you. And one tradition that we have in our household is
we like to do pumpkin carving, and we're very competitive with this family.
Extremely.
I know you know we're competitive, right? So we're going to be carving pumpkins with our son Jordan today, and they think they can carve a pumpkin better than me.
We actually know that we can. So the competition officially starts right now, and you get to vote on who you think actually comes out with the better pumpkin at the end. And it's a chance for you to win one of two $50 gift certificates to one of our 6 Compare Foods locations. So you guys ready to get this thing started?
Let's get started. All right, I'm gonna win.
Come on, you scared to get your hands in there? I know we winning. I know we're winning. There's no way anyone could do what we're doing here. This is very detailed. This is like super difficult. Love it. Go ahead, Jay. Booyah. Booyah. You won that.
All right, we're all done, and I think I'm the winner. Here's my pumpkin.
All right, that's kind of cute, but ours is way better. Go ahead, Jordan. Voila! Ours is a really, really scary spider pumpkin.
Is that a spider?
Yes, so you guys vote now. Is it our pumpkin
Or mine.
or is it Fly Tie's pumpkin? Vote now and then cast your vote for a chance to win one of $50 gift certificates to Compare Foods. All right, that's one of our 6 Compare Food stores in Charlotte. So good luck, but we're the winners. I already know it.
Happy Halloween.